Alright guys, we're at Taco Bell. We're going to try the new buffalo chicken nachos at Taco Bell. It's totally new at Taco Bell. I'm super excited. Let's go. Alright guys, here we go. We have the buffalo chicken nacho fries. These are $2.99. It looks like it's a little bit smaller than I thought it'd be a little bit bigger. But you know, let's check it out guys. Can't wait. Now the funny thing is, I saw a customer from my cashier job. We were talking. He seemed really nice, but he recognized me from my cashier job. Okay, that's what it looks like. Looks like they have nacho cheese and a little sprinkle of like cheddar cheese on top. Alright, here are the buffalo nacho fries. It comes with these amazing fries. They're very crispy right here. Has some sour cream, if you can see. Pico. Has some cheese sauce and shredded cheese on top. And it looks like that's the buffalo sauce, guys. Now, if this is spicy, I will definitely let you know. But it looks like there's a lot of cheese. I see a lot of like cheese sauce right here. Yeah. I can't wait to try this out for you guys. I forgot to mention it has shredded chicken. You can't really see it, but let's try the first bite, guys. Try it out. Dip it in some of the sauce. So far, it's very tasty. It's very good. The buffalo sauce for the first bite is slightly spicy. Out of 10, I would say 3 out of 10 if I don't rate the spiciness, but that's just the first bite. Let's try another bite. Second bite's so good. I haven't got to the chicken part. I think the chicken's on the bottom. I'm really digging this sauce right here. We'll have chicken. Try the chicken. Third bite. It's getting spicy. 5 out of 10. Maybe 6 out of 10. And I think I need a fork actually. Alright, so I got a fork. I think it's better. I'm going to taste more. Let's try some of the chicken by itself. That's what it looks like. It's very good. It's like, it tastes really marinated, the chicken part. A lot of flavor. Really good. So guys, funny story is I walked into Taco Bell and I saw this elderly guy in his about 70s and waiting for his food. And I said, hey, have you ordered? He didn't hear me. So I said, whatever. I guess they're just busy. So, then he turns around, he sees me, he said, I can help you. I'm like, oh, you work here? He's like, yeah. He didn't wear any uniform at all. He's like, he works here. Okay. So rings me up. And I'm like, well, where's your uniform at? And he's like, oh, it's my day off. So he's like, I just came here to order some food, but I didn't want you to wait in line too long. They're busy, so I helped you. I'm like, wow. Then he helped another customer behind me. Then another employee took over. But I was like, wow. Didn't know you could do that. Didn't you could work on your day off. But yeah, this is really good, guys. I mean, but for me, I mean, if I was gonna be honest, it's a little bit spicy for me. For me, most people like this probably, not for me. It'll be really great in here. I know there's pico. I know some pico. There's a little bit of onions. Very little onions. If it had more onions, I think it'd be really good. The fries are crispy. So it looks like it has enough sauce when you first open it up, but after you eat it a little bit, it gets kind of dry. Like in the middle part, there's not much sauce, like cheese sauce. So I feel like a little bit extra cheese sauce would be good for me. Like, I don't know if you can see right here, but that part's dry. I think the buffalo sauce is a good amount. I don't think it's too much, not too little. You know what? I kind of want more chicken, actually. I mean, honestly, if you're gonna say a chicken nacho fries, they should add a lot more chicken. And I have like a lot of it. Here's some shredded chicken. You can see it's really small. I saw Peep This Out's review, and Mrs. Chicken was not shredded, it was cubed. I haven't seen hardly any cube chicken in here. Any cube chicken at all. And mine's all shredded. So my chicken's shredded, all of it's shredded, but it wasn't a lot of chicken. But I'm sure each place does things differently. You know, each location might do things differently. So I think for the price of $2.99, I think it's a pretty good deal. Because you have the chicken, you know, it needs more chicken though. 2 different cheeses, fries, the buffalo sauce. It has a lot of different stuff on here at the Pico. I would say for me to improve it, definitely more chicken. You know, for me in this place, I think a lot of chicken. Also, a little extra onion would be really good in here. That would be really amazing. And then maybe a little more extra cheese sauce, because some of the fries were kind of dry. But other than that, it's pretty good. I would recommend it. And it's you know, I eat maybe almost half of it, and it's still not too spicy for me. It's a mild spice. I would say mild spice. I think this would be a great side item because it's kind of small, and if it's not a lot of chicken, it'd be like if you want like a burrito and a little fry to go with it or something. So I think it'd be a great side item, guys. 4 to 5. I think it's really good. It's a good bargain. Like I said, it needs a little more work, but to be like, you know, perfect. But it's pretty good. Give it a try. Great side item. $2.99. Great deal. Check it out. Only at Taco Bell. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.